Hi boys and girls, welcome to your math lesson. Remember what we're learning this week? We're learning about numbers, okay? We're going to learn how to recognize the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And that is important because there's numbers everywhere, and so we need to know how to recognize them. We are also learning how to count objects. That is also very important because we need to know how to count. Counting is important even right now for you as a kid and when you grow up as well. You have to learn how to count money, how to count your toys, everything, right? Okay, so let's begin our lesson. So today we're going to do it a little bit different. I have all the numbers here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I have here the dots. So we're going to count the dots and try to match it with the number, okay? So, how many dots do we have here? 2, right? 1 and 2. So we're going to put it right under the number 2. How many dots do we have here? 1. And so I'm going to put it right under the 1. And how many dots do I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is number 4. How many dots? 1, 2, 3. And this is number 3. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's number 5. I know that activity was a little bit hard. That's okay. We're just practicing to recognize our numbers. So don't get too worried if that seems too hard for you right now. Trust me, the more you practice, the better you'll get at it, okay? Okay, so we're going to practice this because this is what your homework will be. It'll be like yesterday. But I'm going to change the objects. We have to do this so that we can learn to recognize the number and know how many objects we're putting with that number, okay? So today I have little ladybugs, okay? So what number is that? Look at the finger if you need some help. It's number 1. So I have here 1. What number is that? Look at the fingers. 1, 2. That's number 2. So I need 2 ladybugs. So here we go. 1 and 2. 2 ladybugs. Here we look at the fingers, we see 1, 2, 3. And that number is number 3. So we're going to put 3 ladybugs. 1, 2, 3. What number could that be? Look at the fingers if you're not sure. Count the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's number 4. So let's put 4 ladybugs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Our last number. What number is that? Count the fingers. If you can't recognize it yet, if you don't know what that is, let's count the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5, so we need 5 ladybugs. 1, oh, the ladybug is missing a little feet, or 2 of them. That's okay. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 4. There's a hair right there. 4 and 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ladybugs. Okay, and we notice here too, I told you yesterday, right? Over here there's not a lot, and over here there's more. So as the numbers get bigger, we get more stuff, right? So here we only have 1 ladybug, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Okay, so that was your lesson for today, and go over to Google Classroom and find your assignment and send it to me. You have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.